Yeah, Yasin. Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, birds. Now, when I say birds, it means actual birds. We use bird as a slang also, okay? Yeah. Birds mean birds, yeah. So, how do you feel about birds?
I love birds. I love to keep them as a pet because it looks very beautiful and the sounds of birds very peaceful
Is
for
very
me.
peaceful for
Is
me.
very peaceful for me.
So, to answer your question, I like birds very much. They are a wonderful creature of God,
God.
right? Something like that. Overall, it's good. Let's go on. How do people feel about birds in your country?
It depends person to person.
It depends, and then we don't use person to person. For person to person, we say it varies.
It
It
varies.
varies from person to person, people to people. Yeah.
It varies person to
It
person.
varies from.
It varies from person to person. Someone keep them as a pet and someone keep them as a flying. And
How do they keep them as a flying? I say, that's my bird, okay?
yes,
All right, listen. You're making the answer complicated. Listen, don't make the answer overly complicated. Keep it simple. How do people feel about the birds? Well, it depends on the people. Some people feel good about the birds. They put some water pots and they put something to eat for the birds on their rooftop, and the birds come there and they eat that. On the other hand, some people unfortunately catch the birds and they sell them. So it depends on the people, but I think most of the people in my country, they are very kind towards the birds.
towards the birds.
8 बैंड आया सी 8 साल पहले नहीं 8 साल पहले नहीं 10 साल पहले ये okay. I wanted to appear again in IELTS exam, but I have no reason. ना कि जाना है ना कुछ और. So okay, let's go on. Why do some people keep colorful birds at home?
Because colors are
Never start your answer with because. People love to keep colorful birds at home because. Yeah.
people love to colorful birds to keep them at home because it looks very beautiful. They look very beautiful, and the pairs of two colors of birds look very
Elegant.
That's it.
All right, so I understand. They look very nice, they look very good, and all that. Overall, it's good. Some of your answers are short, that you need to add more. And don't make your answer overly complicated. Give a simple answer, that will do. Right? Thank you.